Hello, my name is Araque, and this is my stand-up for marketing. So let me begin by showing my capstone project. So here we go here. What did I do? Okay, good. So my capstone project is a simple fitness business app with its own database. It consists of three types of users. It's going to be the admin, the manager, and the trainer. For example, Fondalala, she's a trainer. She can see the clients, she can see a calendar with like future sessions, you can see the equipment in the clients, she can edit them, add notes, she can view the sessions, past sessions and stuff, edit the sessions, set them to canceled and save. Oh, yeah, this is gonna be a problem. And so on and so forth. If you go log out, then you can go to a manager. The manager can see all the staff. He can promote the staff from trainer to manager, but he can only see the trainers. He cannot see the managers. I can see a candidate from all the trainers. I can see the clients too, and all the sessions, so on and so forth. And then the administrator can see, has a dashboard with like sessions per month, revenue per day. You can see the staff, you can see the managers and the trainers from that specific site, see the equipment, you can see the clients, the calendars, so on and so forth. For my marketing plan for this class, I'm not planning on marketing this application, and the reason behind it is that I'm not making this project for to be sold or to market it, but more so to expand my knowledge and be a better developer. So my marketing plan is gonna go towards me as a developer and my portfolio website. I can show you some mock-ups of what I've been trying to do, or some drafts. So if you can see here, I want to kind of like create a simple website where I have an image, simple menu here on the left. You go down, you can see like my skills, kind of like every language or library or markup language that I know how to use, and kind of like how advanced I am in those languages, and explain a little bit my projects, then and about me, and lastly a contact page. So this is one example. This is kind of like some color palettes that I've been working with, sorry, that I'm interested, like the colors I'm gonna use. These are some of the fonts that I'm planning on using. So far, if we go here, this is what I got. You can see we have home, we have skills, we have portfolio, um, we got about, and then we got contact me. Just a little bit here. I haven't worked completely, but I'm like starting. This is what I've done so far. So yeah, so what I was planning, like as I described in my document, while I was doing research, there are multiple ways to promote myself as a developer, and nowadays it's easier due to the fact that with so many social media out there, it's kind of like easier to reach uh, the people out there to see and make you see. You have LinkedIn, for example. If we go to LinkedIn.com, I have already my LinkedIn set up. I can just easily put my website URL here. So for example, 17 seen my profile so far. For example, today I talked to someone, messaged me for a job opportunity, and so if I had like a portfolio website so they can see my work and my jobs and all the things that I've done, that'll be great. I can just list that or pass it around. We also have Facebook. We have Facebook and Instagram and Twitter, other possibilities for me to market my portfolio website and myself. Also have Indeed. I have a profile in Indeed. And it's easy because you can easily apply, or you have a link to your portfolio website, and employers will go and click and see your resume and click and see what you've done and how your website and all that stuff. So that's one of like the routes I'm gonna go for my marketing plan and for my portfolio. It's kind of like put that URL in every social media and every kind of like place, because at the end I want my portfolio website to be an extension of my resume. I want to explain what I do with my skills in my resume, and then if they want to see more, they can always go to my portfolio website and they can see more in detail about like the skills and a very detailed explanation of what I worked on and the projects. For example, if you go to I think it's this one. Nope. Well, never mind. I found a resource that basically explains that employers, when they take an interest in you, they basically like to go to your website and listen and read carefully how you describe the tools and technology used in each of your projects. So that's one thing that I had planned, and that's one thing that I kind of like incorporated in my draft, which I have like a master. And then here you can see like these aren't real projects, but these are like kind of be like, you click and it'll give you like a brief description of what I did, like what technology I use, and all and so forth. So the future employers can see what I've done and how I did it and how confident I am in those technologies, so on and so forth. So this is what I've done so far. Thank you very much, and goodbye.